Earlier, the notices were issued, but that was received by the another person, Your Lordship. In this regard, my Lord invited me to file the jointness petition. The uncle of the respondent number 4 has received.
Jointness देखा कहाँ है?
उसी लास्ट
इसी में है। वो लिखे jointness affidavit has been filed today, stating therein that the OP number 4 and his uncle, Mr. Narmadeswar Thakur, are residing in the same house. Full stop. The notice has been received by the uncle of OP number 4. Full stop. In view of the jointness affidavit, let the notice be taken to have been validly served upon OP number 4. बोलिए.
Lord, this writ is filed for quashing of the FIR, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, the petitioner is at Paras Hospital, Your Lordship. In this case, Your Lordship, the informant has lost the case against the informant's family member. The deceased died during the treatment, Your Lordship. The Paras Hospital, Your Lordship, Bhagalpur has referred the patient to the Patna, Your Lordship. But from the FIR itself, it is apparent, Your Lordship, कि लापरवाही बरतने के कारण जितेंद्र कुमार की मृत्यु हुई. Your Lordship, this is the allegation part, Your Lordship. And Your Lordship, I have mentioned in my petition that when we have recommended this petition, the deceased person to Patta, Paras, Your Lordship, then the family member started quarreling, Your Lordship, and they have spent much time there, Lordship. And when they reached to Patna, Lordship, it is alleged कि during that period, Lordship, he died. So he said in the FIR, the informant mentioned in the FIR, Lordship, that कि मुर्दा आदमी पर पैसा. May I read that FIR running page 16, Lordship. अतः श्रीमान से निवेदन है कि श्री साकिब फारूकी मैनेजर पारस हॉस्पिटल और उनके सहयोगियों पर इलाज में लापरवाही के द्वारा इलाज में लापरवाही बरतने के कारण जितेंद्र कुमार की मृत्यु हुई और मुर्दा को जिंदा बनाकर 72,000 रुपए की ठगी की गई. दिस इज द एलिगेशन पार्ट, लॉर्डशिप. ऑल्दो आई हैव मेंशन इन माय पिटीशन इन Your Lordship, the charges of negligence is baseless, Your Lordship, because the doctor Ajay Kumar has examined the deceased, Your Lordship, and Your Lordship, during the in paragraph 8 of my petition, I have mentioned that while the petition was when the patient was undergoing CT scan, his oxygen saturation level decreased, bilateral. Your Lordship, there were so many deficiency found during the treatment, Your Lordship, but that was provided to the doctors, provided by the doctor to the patient, Your Lordship. But during the period from where the patient started, the ambulance started, we have suggested कि आप इनको पारस पटना ले जाइए. They have started quarreling with each other and spent so many time. Your Lordship, my submission is this, Your Lordship, apart from this fact, that this FIR, Your Lordship, as per the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court, Your Lordship, the investigation done by the police officer is not in accordance with law, Your Lordship, although that should be by the magistrate itself in purview of section 155(2). Your Lordship, section 155 CRPC sub clause 2, that information as to non-cognizable cases and investigation of such cases.
Investigation has been done by magistrate.
Police has done, Your Lordship. Police has done investigation, Your Lordship, under section 156(1), Your Lordship. That should be as per the by the magistrate, Your Lordship, section 155 subclause 2. Information as to cases and investigation of such cases, no police officer.
नहीं, आप पहले उस पर तो प्रिंसिपल तो बाद में आइए, पहले एफआईआर से दिखाइए ना क्या है एलिगेशंस.
Allegation I have just now placed, Your Lordship.
एलिगेशंस जो पार्ट है उसको दिखाइए ना कि कहाँ,
Allegation
whether a cognizable offense is being made out or not.
as per my submission, Your
Page
Lordship, page running page 16. As per my submission,
60,
16.
16,
As per my submission,
16 पढ़िए क्या है.
GFIR.
Please come to 16.
Yes, Your Lordship. I'm reading the after just 4-5 lines from the beginning, Your Lordship. यदुनंदन ठाकुर राजा ठाकुर पिता स्वयं से दुर्घटना में घायल होकर DMCH दरभंगा से रेफर होकर पारस हॉस्पिटल में भर्ती हुए, जहां जितेंद्र कुमार के इलाज के में घोर लापरवाही बरती गई, जिसके कारण उनकी मृत्यु पारस हॉस्पिटल में ही हो गई. किंतु उक्त हॉस्पिटल के मैनेजर साकिब फारूकी जितेंद्र कुमार के ठीक होने का दिलासा देते रहे और परिजनों से मुर्दा को जिलाने के नाम पर न केवल 72,000 रुपया का ठग लिया, बल्कि मुर्दा को अग्रिम जांच के लिए पटना पारस हॉस्पिटल रेफर कर दिया. रास्ते में जितेंद्र कुमार के मरने की पुष्टि हुई और एम्बुलेंस का भाड़ा देकर लाश पोस्टमार्टम के लिए भेजा गया. ज्ञातव्य है कि अपनी भूल छुपाने के जितेंद्र कुमार के इलाज संबंधित कागजात देने में लगभग 4 घंटा विलंब किया गया. अतः श्रीमान से निवेदन है कि श्री साकिब फारूकी मैरिया पारस हॉस्पिटल और उनके सहयोगियों पर इलाज में लापरवाही बरतने के कारण जितेंद्र कुमार की मृत्यु हुई और मुद्दा को चिंता बनाकर हत्या करने की ठगी की गई.
क्या है, what is the stage of this case presently?
As it is, कुछ नहीं हुआ.
No investigation has not been done.
नहीं. और जो इतना दिन का डिले हो गया, FIR हुआ है 18 में, इतना दिन डिले होने के बाद भी आज भी कोई इन्वेस्टिगेशन नहीं हुआ है. और ये FIR में ही कंट्राडिक्टरी स्टेटमेंट है. एक जगह ये कह रहे हैं कि पारस हॉस्पिटल रेफर कर दिया गया, रास्ते में जितेंद्र कुमार की मरने की पुष्टि हुई, और दूसरे लास्ट पैराग्राफ में कह रहे हैं कि कागज देने में 4 घंटा लगाए और वो मरा हुआ आदमी का इलाज करते हुए 72,000 रुपया ले लिए. तो ये स्टेटमेंट इन दी FIR इटसेल्फ इज कॉन्ट्राडिक्टरी.
ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट तो आपका एफआईआर में आ गया
जी. और दिस सेकंड,
एफआईआर डज नॉट डिस्क्लोज
द ऑफेंस,
कमीशन ऑफ कॉग्निजिबल ऑफेंस.
जी.
दूसरा,
Second, Your Lordship, the proof of that Annexure 2, that the patient was properly treated in that Paras Hospital, Your Lordship. The admission request, Annexure 2, page 20, Your Lordship. Annexure 2, page 20. The proper care was taken by the hospital authorities, Your Lordship.
yes,
G. Admission request, then, Your Lordship, the reference summary.
yes,
And I have mentioned in my petition that when I have referred the patient to the Paras Hospital, Patna, they started quarreling. The family member of the patient started quarreling with each other, Your Lordship. I have mentioned in paragraph, Your Lordship, of my petition.
yes.
Your Lordship, page 6 of my petition, paragraph 11.
Yes.
We have also lodged a file against them, Your Lordship. पेशेंट मर गया, देन हमारे हॉस्पिटल में भी तोड़फोड़ करने लगे, मारपीट करने लगे।
For that you have lodged an Annexure 3.
जी जी।
Yes.
So there is an ample material as per the judgment of the Your Lordship. I have mentioned so many judgment in my petition in paragraph 13, Your Lordship onwards, that Jacob Matthew case, Your Lordship, where the medical practitioner was given safeguarded by the Honorable Supreme Court, Your Lordship, and the other judgments also, Your Lordship, the Bhajan Lal case also I have mentioned paragraph 17, Your Lordship, that Your Lordship, paragraph 17 of my petition, Your Lordship.
Yes, yes.
So, in the light of these two judgments, Your Lordship, and as per the FIR, Your Lordship, the contradictory statement in the FIR itself, Your Lordship, shows that the patient was died due to not taking proper care by the relatives, not by the doctors, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, file has been misplaced, Your Lordship. I need some.
File has been misplaced.
Yes, Your Lordship. I am unable to locate the file. Hence, I pray it may be heard after 2 days. I will take the copy from my learned friend.
Legally heard land counsel for the petitioner. Next. Land counsel. For the petitioner has taken this court through the first information report. In bracket Annexure 1. Full stop. It is submitted that on a bare reading of the first information report, it will appear that it does not disclose commission of a cognizable offence. Full stop. The FIR is based on surmises and conjectures, saying that the disease was not properly treated by the hospital, and had he been treated properly, he could have been saved. Full stop. It is next. It is further submitted that there are uncontroverted documents in form of Annexure 2, which contains the copy of the admission form and the referral summary of the injured, who was referred to Higher Center / Paras HMRI Hospital, Patna. Full stop. It is submitted that since this document is uncontroverted, and despite notice the OP number 4 has not appeared to contest it, this court may rely upon them. Next. Land Counsel further submits that in fact for the alleged occurrence in which several employees of the hospital were beaten by the attendants of the patient and severe damage to the hospital property was done, the hospital has lost a first information report giving rise to Mehta OPPS case number case number 580 of 2018. Bracket Sector 3 to the writ application. Full stop. It is submitted that police has registered both the FIRs, that is Annexure 1 and Annexure 3 respectively, on the same date within a difference of 5 minutes of time. Full stop. Next. Right, Counsel has relied upon the judgments of the Honorable Supreme Court in the case of State of Haryana and others versus Chaudhary Bhajan Lal, AIR 1992 SC 604, State of Karnataka versus M. Devendrappa and another 2002 3 SCC 89, Vinit Kumar and others versus State of Uttar Pradesh and another 2017 13 SCC 369. And वो आपने बोला जैकब मैथ्यू
जी 2005 का 6 SCC पेज 1
पार्टी नेम पूरा बोलिए and Dr. Jacob Matthew versus so and so reported in 2005 6 SCC page 1. Full stop. It is submitted that in violation of the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court in Jacob Matthew case, the police has not conducted any preliminary inquiry and registered the FIR without following the safeguards provided by the Honorable Supreme Court in these cases of alleged medical negligence. Full stop. It is lastly submitted that the investigation of the case is still pending and police has not submitted any report. Full stop. Land Council submits that the ends of justice require that the present FIR be quashed. Full stop. According to her, continuation of the proceeding against the petitioner would be nothing but an abuse of the process of court. Full stop. Next, Ms. So and so learned AC2, age 3, place for 2 days time to.
Lordship, some time may begin. I will be filing my counter affidavit.
No,
Short.
this is not the stage. Please don't embarrass the court. Matter has been heard.
Yes.
You should have prayed for time if you were so willing.
No, I don't have the copy, Lordship.
You that also you did not inform.
Yes, because I was.
I mean,
not
you cannot make these piecemeal kind of submissions.
I'm extremely sorry.
When the case has proceeded,
Only 2 days.
whose fault is this?
Only 2 days.
2 days I thought you are making a reasonable prayer. I accepted it.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
Now again you are changing your stand. This is not done. If you were not prepared, not having a brief
I
at
was
the
not
outset,
having the
just listen.
Sir, Lordship.
At the outset, you could have informed the court, na?
Sir, Lordship.
That Lord, I am in this difficulty. Please accommodate me for a day or two. Did you do this?
Lordship, I thought the matter has come for office notes.
Your आपका thinking से तो बोलो. Office notes, I always say, it is immaterial. Headings are immaterial. If a case may be heard and disposed of within 2 minutes, and the court thinks it just and proper, it may be done. You have to be prepared with the brief. You cannot say that because case was under office notes, so I have not read the brief.
No, Your Lordship, file is not available, Lordship. That is.
Who is responsible for this?
Yes, sir. We are responsible.
मैन अभी आप लोग कंज्यूमर फोरम में आप लोगों के अगेंस्ट नहीं जा रहे हैं लोग ना, इसलिए आप लोग बचे हुए हैं. कंज्यूमर प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट इक्वली अप्लाइड अगेंस्ट द लॉयर्स आल्सो.
डॉक्टर साहब के खिलाफ हो जाएगा.
क्यों? होगा ही ना। अब जब आप कैमरा पर आ गए हैं तो आपके क्लाइंट तो घर बैठे सुनेंगे कि हमारे वकील साहब ने मेरा फाइल खो दिया, मेरा केस ही बहस नहीं हुआ, फीस ले लिए थे पूरा। क्या जवाब दीजिएगा आप? यही सब तो ट्रांसपेरेंसी का फायदा है। आप सोच रहे हैं दूसरी बात, आप सोच रहे हैं अच्छा हुआ। ट्रांसपेरेंसी का जो है, हम सोच रहे हैं दूसरी बात। हम सोच रहे हैं कि अब अच्छा है, पता तो लगेगा कि हमारे वकील साहब ने कितना समय लिया मेरे केस में, क्यों आज की सुनवाई नहीं हुई। तो ये अच्छा सिस्टम है। इसके अंदर जो है ना, फाइल वगैरह खोने की बात जो है उसको थोड़ा कम कीजिए ना। हमेशा ख्याल रखिए कि आप लिखिए। 2 दिन का समय आपको दे रहे हैं, गेट प्रिपेयर्ड। 17 का मैटर है, 18 का क्या लिख रहे हैं?
Miss So and so learned essay to a G3 press for 2 days time.
2 days time to come back with a reply to this case, with a reply to the submissions made on behalf of the petitioner. Let this matter be listed after 2 days for further hearing.